现在的人都有目标，只有自己还原地打转。
不是所有人都要早早定下人生方向的。
This is Jingling, a bionic robot head being developed by an independent creator, which at first glance looks like a compact robotic face sitting on a desktop. However, the latest demonstration is particularly interesting because it shows Jingling being developed as a complete platform for perception, interaction, and facial expression, rather than just as a simple animatronic display. Under the carefully molded silicone skin, dozens of tiny brushless micromotors pull and release in coordinated waves. When someone speaks, Jingling listens through a hidden microphone array and processes the words. Then, the mouth begins to shape the reply in perfect sync with the voice coming from the internal speakers.
你今天状态看着挺不错的。
内部程序运行平稳，没什么卡顿。
我偶尔会反应慢半拍。
没关系。
To achieve this level of realism, the skin itself is a custom platinum-grade silicone. It is poured and cured in layers so incredibly thin that you can almost see the suggestion of the underlying structure, yet it remains thick enough to completely hide every motor and linkage. Moving to the internal mechanics, they are actually modeled directly after human facial muscle groups, utilizing a unique biomimetic layout of miniature servos. This hidden structural design is exactly what eliminates the jerky robotic twitches you usually see in desktop companions, ultimately giving Jingling its captivating, natural warmth. Furthermore, the core software is entirely modular. This is a secret feature the creator built from the ground up, so that future users can eventually train and customize their own unique emotional personalities. Since this is still a one-person project, built in small batches, Jingling has not yet gone into wide commercial production. Ultimately, seeing this level of advanced engineering from a solo robotics project is exactly what makes Jingling so incredibly fascinating.